In the innovative realm of design, the concept of transforming e-waste into future relics has emerged as a remarkable approach to crafting timeless decor that speaks to both creativity and sustainability. As we increasingly find ourselves surrounded by technology, old devices and components, once heralded as advancements, now frequently end up discarded, threatening both our environment and the value we place on materials. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. However, there lies a fascinating opportunity within this electronic detritus, an opportunity to deconstruct circuit boards, repurpose discarded wires, and breathe new life into defunct components, meticulously reimagining them into sleek, minimalist art pieces, functional lighting, and captivating sculptural accents. This journey of transformation extends beyond mere aesthetics. It serves as a narrative of innovation and sustainability, turning the past of technology into tomorrow's cherished relics, reflecting the depth of human creativity and the necessity of environmental consciousness. The transformative process begins with an awareness of the growing e-waste crisis. Every year, millions of tons of electronic waste find their way to landfills, where they contribute to pollution and environmental degradation. In response to this pressing issue, artisans and designers are increasingly recognizing the potential of these discarded materials. Deconstruction becomes the first step, where devices such as old smartphones, computers, and circuit boards are carefully taken apart. Each component is examined, its characteristics studied, and its potential for repurposing assessed. Circuit boards, often densely packed with intricate patterns and vibrant colors, become canvases for artistic expression, while wires can be utilized to create dynamic shapes and forms. Through this meticulous process, designers not only reclaim materials, but also honor the stories embedded in each piece of electronic equipment. Every circuit board tells a tale of technological advancement, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of progress. By choosing to work with these components, artisans not only highlight the beauty found within the complexities of technology, but also capture a moment in time, a snapshot of how far we have come and where we are heading. As designers embark on this creative journey, they approach e-waste as a rich resource, allowing the narrative of technologies past to flow into their crafts, transforming discarded elements into objects of value and artistry. One of the most compelling aspects of designing with e-waste is the opportunity to create sleek, minimalist art pieces that resonate with modern sensibilities. The aesthetic possibilities are vast and varied, as artisans skillfully manipulate the forms and colors found in circuit boards and other components to yield sophisticated designs that complement contemporary interiors. For instance, a circuit board, with its myriad of lines and connections, can become the central element of a striking wall, hanging, or decorative panel. When framed or illuminated, these pieces take on a life of their own, celebrating the intricate beauty of technology in a way that contrasts sharply with the traditional notion of decor. The minimalist approach often embraces the notion of less is more, allowing the beauty of the materials to shine through without overwhelming the space around them. Functional lighting is another arena where e-waste can be transformed into remarkable pieces that blend artistry with utility. By reimagining the components of old devices, artisans can craft unique lamps and light fixtures that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. For example, old computer fans might find new life as the base of a pendant light, while salvaged circuit boards can be used to create intricate lamp designs that cast fascinating shadows on surrounding walls. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. The juxtaposition of industrial components with stylish design elevates these lighting fixtures beyond mere functionality, making them conversation starters that draw attention and admiration. Furthermore, the stories behind the materials contribute to the overall narrative, enriching the experience of using these items in everyday life. Sculptural accents crafted from e-waste embody yet another avenue for creative exploration, where the potential for dimension and texture takes center stage. Artisans can embrace the organic qualities of materials, bending wires and circuit boards into intricate shapes that evoke movement and dynamic forms. These sculptural pieces might serve as centerpieces in a living room or focal points in an art installation, inviting admiration and prompting discussions about their origins. The ability to create such striking visual statements from what was once considered waste reveals a transformative power that underscores the artist's vision and skill. Each piece is imbued with a sense of history, prompting viewers to reflect on the relationship between technology and culture, and their evolving identities in a rapidly changing world. By selecting decor that emerges from a narrative of reclamation and ingenuity, individuals can express their commitment to sustainability without sacrificing style. As people become more aware of the environmental implications of e-waste, the desire for decor that tells a story of conscious living grows stronger, making reclaimed tech an appealing choice for those who seek to embrace both aesthetics and values. Additionally, these innovative approaches to design prompt a reconsideration of our relationship with technology and consumer culture. Crafting art from e-waste challenges the prevailing notion of disposability often associated with tech products. Instead of being seen as obsolete once they've outlived their primary function, components can gain new significance and meaning. This paradigm shift encourages a culture that values longevity, creativity, and resourcefulness. As individuals interact with repurposed tech decor, they engage in a dialogue about their consumption habits, prompting reflection on the life cycle of their electronic devices and the impact of e-waste on the planet. Moreover, artisans embarking on the journey of transforming e-waste into decor are often at the forefront of a larger movement toward responsible design practices. By promoting the use of discarded materials, they inspire a new generation of creators to think critically about their choices and to seek out ways to minimize waste in their own practices. Workshops and educational initiatives focusing on deconstructing tech waste provide opportunities for others to learn techniques of repurposing, furthering the reach of this vital movement. Community engagement fosters collaboration among artists and inventors, sparking new ideas and inspiring innovations that can drive the evolution of sustainable decor practices. Ultimately, the journey of turning e-waste into future relics is about so much more than aesthetics. It is a profound exploration of identity, purpose, and sustainability in design. Through careful crafting, artists breathe new life into retired technology, illustrating how discarded components can emerge as beautiful, functional pieces that illuminate our homes and societies. In celebrating the beauty of repurposed materials, we honor the innovation of the past while carving a path toward a more sustainable and creative future. It is a reconciliation with technology's history, a celebration of human artistry, and a commitment to environmental consciousness, a true testament to the potential of design to transform not just materials, but our very relationship with the world around us. As we embrace this transformative journey, we invite tomorrow's cherished relics into our lives, forever reminding us that beauty is often born from the remnants of our past. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.